want to show you something.
What do you want, you fat Tommy bastard? Come in.
I just want to show you my new iPhone and my ringtone.
Show it to someone else, maybe that Nazi medic.
Dad, I'm not a goddamn Nazi, you dumb cough.
Well, your appearance and your German accent disturbs my patriotic spirit.
Oh, you know, I really don't want to be in this new video right now. I'm out.
Enough of this foolishness. Come on, soldier, just at least for about a minute.
Oh.
Fine, I'm done. What is it that you want me to look at?
My new iPhone 14 Pro. I just bought it for $582. It is very sleek and very new.
Wow, I'm so jealous.
It has many great features and some good apps. And I can also create my own ringtone. All you gotta do is call my phone. Here's Heavy's number.
All right, then. It better not be some sort of prank, or I swear to God.
That's what baby gets for eating my sandwich last week.
Man, I'm hungry. I sure hope that Heavy doesn't mind if I stomach his sandwich. No, negatory. He's a commie, of course I will. A commie, of course I will. Back to war!
Lesson learned, never eat Heavy's sandwich.